The truck's ability to respond efficiently and effectively to the driver's needs was programmed right at the planning stage, as it is for every Pacific truck. Design, engineering, and planning were equally critical when Pacific was asked to produce the most powerful on-highway vehicle in the world. The mammoth 710 metric ton combination was the only solution to the problem of transporting a 263-ton stator over 700 kilometers. Pacific custom designed, engineered, and manufactured the 4 power units to tow the trailer. "288 wheels supported the load. 40 more powered it. And the driver took the wheel in air-conditioned comfort, arriving at his destination without incident." Another unique undertaking was the transport of hydroelectric generating equipment in India. For this particular project, Pacific conceived, designed, and manufactured the 75-ton P10 tractor trailer to haul the heart of a nuclear reactor 600 miles by road to the Rajasthan construction site near Kota. The innovative engineering techniques applied to this custom-designed combination played a significant role in the successful transportation of the Calendria in a country with a desperate need for its power. The professionals at Pacific have a respected history of meeting specialized trucking needs. Among the many industries which have benefited from their skills are uranium, oil, sugarcane, logging in Malaysia, where jungle conditions create a new set of challenges for the custom builders of Pacific. And finally, the military. All Pacific vehicles are custom built, using the finest parts and components the world has to offer.